Everyone, in this video I solved this math question. This question is x square minus xy equal to 14, y square plus xy equal to 16. I find out what is the value of xy. So it is a first equation and it is a second equation. So first of all I can say first equation is x square minus xy equal to 14. Now I can say here is x square equal to 14 plus xy. Now I can say easily 14 plus xy equal to x square. I just change the place. Now xy equal to x square minus 14. Now I divide both side x. This time I can say x. So x is cancel. This time I can say y equal to, here is x square, here is x. So if I divide, this time I can say find out x, and here is 14 over x. I can say it is a third equation. And here is y equal to x minus 14 over x. I put on this below second equation. So second equation is y square plus xy equal to 60. Now we know that y equal to x minus 14 over x. So x minus 14 over x whole square plus, here is x, and we know that y equal to x minus 14 over x. So x minus 14 over x bracket equal to 16. Now we know that if you think it is a, it is b. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus ab plus b square. So here is x square minus 2ab. A is x and b is 14 over x plus b square plus, here is x times x equal to x square. Here is x, so x times minus 14 by x. So x is cancelled. So here is minus 14 equal to 60. Now here is x square. Here is x is cancelled. This time I can say 2 times 14 is equal to minus 28. Here is 14 square. We know that 14 square equal to 196 over, here is x square plus x square minus 14. I just change the place. So here is plus 16 and here is minus 60 equal to 0. Now here is x square and this is x square. So 2x square minus, here is 28 minus 14 minus 60 equal to 102 plus, here is 196 over x square equal to 0. Now here is x square. So here is 1. So 1 divide x square is equal to x square. So x square times 2x square is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 102 times x square is equal to 102 x square plus x square divide x square is equal to 1. 1 times 196 equal to 196 equal to 0. Now I can say x square times 0 equal to 0. So 2x to the power 4 minus 102 x square plus 196 equal to 0. Now I divide both sides 2. This time I can say here is 2, here is 2. This time I can say 2 is cancelled. So x to the power 4 minus 51 x square plus 98 equal to 0. Now here is plus 98. So we know that 98, 49 times 2 is equal to 98 and 49 plus 2 is equal to 51. So if I factorization, this time I can say here is x to the power 4 minus 49x square minus 2x square plus 98 equal to 0. Now here is x square is common. This time I can say x square, x to the power 4 divide x square equal to x square minus, here is x square is cancelled, so this is 49, and minus here is 2 is common, so I can say x square minus 49. Because of that 98 divide 2 is equal to 49 equal to 0. Now here is x square minus 49 is common, so x square minus 49, here is x square minus 2 equal to 0. Now I can say x square minus 49 equal to 0 or x square minus 2 equal to 0. Now x square equal to 49, I just change the place, and here is x square equal to 2. I use both side square root. Now I can say x equal to square root is cancelled, plus minus 7, and here is x equal to plus minus square root 2. Now I find out what is the value of y. So we know that third equation is y equal to x minus 14 over x. So I put on this value in this line. Now I can say, so third equation is y equal to x minus 14 over x. We know that x equal to plus 7 and x equal to minus 7 and x equal to, here is plus 7 minus 7, and x equal to plus square root 2 minus square root 2. So x equal to plus square root 2 and x equal to minus square root 2, and here is y equal to x minus 14 over x. So y x equal to 7 minus 14 over 7. 14 divided 7 is equal to 2. Now I can say 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Now I can say easily, when x equal to 7, this time y equal to 5, so 7 5. And again when x equal to minus 7, this time I can say y equal to minus 7, and here is minus, this minus is plus, minus minus plus 14 over 7. So 14 divided 7 is equal to 2, and I can say minus 7 plus 2 is equal to minus 5. So I can say when x equal to minus 7, this time y is equal to minus 5. Now when x equal to square root 2, I put on this value in this equation. So we know that y equal to x is equal to square root 2 minus 14 over x equal to square root 2. Now here is square root 2 minus, here is 14. I multiply up and down square root 2. This time I can say 14 square root 2. This is square root 2 times square root 2. Now square root 2 minus, we know that square root 2 is equal to square root 2 whole square, and here is 14 square root 2. Now square root 2 minus 14 square root 2 divide 2, because of that square root is cancelled. This time I can say 14 divide 2 is equal to 7, and here is square root 2 minus 7 square root 2. We know that 7 square root 2 minus 1 square root 2 is equal to minus 6 square root 2. So I can say easily, when x equal to square root 2, this time y equal to minus 6 square root 2. So this answer is square root 2 minus 6 square root 2. And again when x equal to minus square root 2, this time I find out y value. So we know that y equal to x minus 14 over x. So when x is equal to minus 2, so I can say minus square root 2 minus 14 over square root 2 minus square root 2. So minus square root 2 minus minus is plus, so 14 over square root 2, I multiply up and down square root 2, so I can say minus square root 2 plus, here is 14 square root 2, we know that square root 2 is equal to 2, so here is 2, 14 divided 2 is equal to 7, we know that minus square root 2 plus 7 square root 2, and here is plus 6 square root 2. I mean, when x is equal to minus square root 2, this time y is equal to plus 6 square root 2. So I can say this value is minus square root 2 and here is plus 6 square root 2. So I can say this is the answer. This 4 point is answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.